Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am showing you what I've made with these Queenacraft deer. They are so cute and so inexpensive, and they make the perfect focal point for any project. I've taken some of my dies from In Love of Art Shop, and I have made these banner flags. So I basically just cut out the base and then the inset smaller die there, and then I layered up all of these different elements. As you can see, some ephemera, some cut aparts, some stickers, and some beautiful tulle. I absolutely love this tulle. I add it quite often as a pretty sort of texture into the background. I put it on a straw that I had stapled in, slid like the straw through those little holders, and I had stapled the ribbon there before I had adhered this top part down. I tied a little bow and I stuck on a charm. You can also get these charms from Queenacraft, and it is a very cute project to send as happy mail to one of your pen pals. Now, I was inspired by WithLoveBre, and I will link the video down below where she creates her take on these mini banners. I've put a little charm dangling off this one. I loved this ephemera. It says, "Love you dearly." This collection here is the Peaceful Heart collection from Jen Hadfield. That's what all of these three are, and it came in my SCT Sampler for the month of September. So I was really excited to be able to create some fun little happy mail or embellishment projects. And you can see again all the same elements. This time I've used one of the things that came in the kit were these like mirrored little circles, and then that goes really well. I put a couple of sequins on there, and I put down a charm on the bow. I basically gave each of them a little bow around their neck. I popped up some little sentiments. Hello, be well, friend. And yeah, that is really cute. So I will link down below the Queenacraft dies that I used here, and also a code for a discount if you place an order. They had sent these to me as part of a collaboration, and I absolutely love them. I had a chance to pick them out, and they're one of my favorite focal point dies, so I really wanted to highlight them in a video. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.